to be showing you how to make a little snack. So first, what you do is you get a piece of bread. Next, you get any spread that you want. I like Nutella, but you can use peanut butter and jelly if you like. So, what you do is you get a spoon and you scoop up the spread. Next, what you do is you put it on top of your bread like this. Next, what you do is you use the back of your spoon to spread the chocolate all over. Keep doing this until you have the amount you like. Put a lot of chocolate on there. I'm going to be eating this later. Now when you're done, you can leave it like that. Or what I like to do is I get another piece of bread and I put it on top and make it a sandwich. Like this. And now it's ready to enjoy. That's all. Thank you for watching.